everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of the Bottomline. Here are the top headlines. Regular international flights from India likely to restart from March 15th. Kuwait lifts many travel restrictions, no quarantine for fully vaccinated passengers. Use of laser beams and drones are banned near Delhi airport for the next 2 months. Akasa Air plans to hire 350 cabin crew and pilots by March 2023. Morocco resumes tourist and visitor visa operations for Indian nationals. Tourism Ministry holds meeting of tourism officers in Indian missions on promotion strategies. Regular international flights are likely to resume operations from March 15th after remaining suspended for nearly 2 years. As per the reports, authorities will follow standard operating procedures that are effective at Indian airports for foreign arrivals and departures. Reportedly, the said decision on resuming regular international flights has almost been arrived at by the Civil Aviation Ministry following consultation with the Health Ministry with the decline in COVID cases. However, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has not made any official announcement yet. Kuwait has lifted many of its travel restrictions and has announced revised guidelines for travelers. The DGCA state of Kuwait has announced that fully vaccinated travelers will not have to undergo mandatory quarantine on arrival. The government of Kuwait has also said that all passengers can enter the city-state despite their vaccination status. According to the new travel guidelines, those who are fully vaccinated and have taken a booster dose are no longer required to take a pre-departure and on-arrival RT-PCR test in Kuwait. Such travelers are also exempted from home quarantine upon arrival. The use of any unmanned aircraft systems such as drones along with the use of laser beams has been banned at Indira Gandhi International Airport for the next 2 months. The decision has been taken by the Delhi police as UAS and laser beams pose a serious security threat. It is also said to be hazardous for aviation safety. The order prohibiting these items by the Delhi police read, as there have been frequent reports based on credible information that terrorists have planned to carry out terror attack by using UAS including drones, paragliders and hand gliders, UAVs, aero models. Therefore, its use by the members of the public is prohibited. That's a wrap on today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such travel industry updates, stay tuned to tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.